Do not rush through this video too quickly because right after this, I will reveal to you some incredibly simple yet highly effective tips to create fluffy, soft, smooth, and high-quality egg cakes. The first thing to do is prepare the eggs. Gently crack 3 to 5 fresh chicken eggs into a clean, dry bowl to make sure the mixture stays free of contaminants. Next, carefully separate the egg yolks from the whites. You can use a small spoon to carefully scoop each yolk out of the whites, and this process should be done slowly and gently to keep the yolks intact, without breaking or leaking. Next, add a tablespoon of unsweetened milk to the egg yolk. The milk will help make the mixture softer, more moist, and give our cakes a texture that's incredibly smooth and melts in your mouth. Then, use a whisk or spoon to mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are fully combined. Immediately after that step, use a sieve to sift approximately 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into the yolk mixture. The act of sifting the flour not only makes the flour smoother and fluffier, but also prevents the undesirable clumping, allowing the flour mixture to blend and combine evenly later. Gently mix the egg yolks with the sifted flour, using a flat paddle to incorporate the flour thoroughly and prevent clumps. The mixture is ready when it has a smooth, glossy texture and flows evenly, forming a ribbon when the paddle is lifted. While waiting for the yolk mixture to rest, temporarily set the bowl aside and shift your focus to the egg white beating process, which is a crucial step determining the cake's fluffiness. A helpful tip for you is to place the egg whites in the refrigerator's cooling compartment or even the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes before starting, as the cold temperature will help the egg whites whip faster and achieve significantly better fluffiness. Use the mixer at the lowest speed, adding sugar gradually as tiny bubbles begin to form, avoiding adding all the sugar at once to ensure easy dissolution. Then gradually increase the speed and continue beating until the egg whites reach stiff peaks, meaning that when you lift the whisk, the egg whites form a sharp, upright peak without bending down. In this ideal state, the egg whites must have a smooth texture, firm structure, and maintain a stable shape without sagging after a few minutes. However, you must be extremely careful not to overbeat, because if you beat too long, the egg white mixture will separate, become lumpy, and lose its ability to create a fluffy texture in the cake. Next, take about a third of the perfectly whipped egg whites and add them to the yolk mixture. Then gently fold the mixture using the folding technique from the bottom up to loosen it, helping the yolk and egg whites combine harmoniously without breaking the air bubbles. After thoroughly mixing, pour the entire mixture back into the remaining egg whites and continue using the folding technique from the bottom up, combining with a gentle swirling motion to retain as many air bubbles as possible created during the whipping process. This gentle and careful mixing method will be the decisive factor in achieving a cake that rises high, has an exceptionally soft and airy texture, and is light and fluffy when baked. Could you kindly share which country you're watching this tutorial from? Please leave a comment below so we can interact and connect with each other. It's truly wonderful when we can connect and share culinary secrets with each other from all around the world, isn't it? If you haven't clicked the subscribe button for my channel yet, please take a moment to press the red subscribe button below the video, as it would be an incredibly valuable and precious spiritual gift to me. Thank you very much for your support and companionship on this cooking channel. Once the flour mixture is prepared, you can pour it into a pastry bag to create round, evenly shaped forms, or if you don't have a pastry bag, you can use a regular measuring spoon to scoop portions of the flour into the pan. Now place a non-stick pan on the stove, set the heat to the lowest level, and let the pan warm up. Use a brush or paper towel to absorb some oil, then spread a very thin layer on the pan surface to prevent sticking. A crucial note is that after applying the oil, immediately use a clean paper towel to wipe away all the excess oil remaining on the pan's surface, leaving only an ultra-thin oil film to prevent the cake from sticking while preserving its natural golden color. Then gently pour or use a spoon to scoop the batter into the pan, forming small round mounds with even spacing so the cakes don't stick together when they rise. You'll immediately notice that the batter retains its round dome shape very well, and almost doesn't spread or collapse, which is a very positive sign indicating that the egg whites you whipped earlier have reached the ideal state. Next, add a few drops of clean water into the gaps around the cake in the pan. The water will evaporate into steam inside. Then, cover the lid tightly and continue cooking on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. The steam generated inside will keep the cake moist, soft, and ensure even cooking from the center outward, rather than only on the surface. When you notice the bottom of the pancake has turned to a light golden color, a beautiful golden hue, carefully use a spatula or thin spoon to flip the pancake and continue cooking for another 3 minutes until the other side is also evenly golden. Always remember to keep the flame at the lowest setting throughout the entire frying process, because if the flame is too high, the outer crust of the pancake will burn quickly, while the inside hasn't fully cooked yet. At this moment, the small, delicate cakes in the pan have been perfectly cooked. I will lift the lid and immediately transfer them to a clean plate, as timely removal will help preserve their natural golden color and maintain their fluffy, airy texture without collapsing. Finally, we obtain the finished product, which are 2 versions of egg cakes that are extremely eye-catching and appealing. The small cakes have a light golden brown crust, a super soft and extremely fluffy body. When arranging the cakes on a plate for enjoyment, you can drizzle a little pure honey over the surface to enhance the light, sweet flavor and a more enticing aroma. That's it for this video. If you have any comments or thoughts, please leave them below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. And remember to share this video with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support. Goodbye, and I'll see you in the next video.